Today, we're diving into the Thermaltake Riing PlusCooling fan, a premium addition to any PC enthusiast setup. This 3-pack of 120mm fans offers a stunning blend of aesthetics and performance, perfect for those looking to enhance both the cooling and visual appeal of their build. One of the standout features of the Thermaltake Riing PlusCooling fan is its patented LED design. Each fan is equipped with 12 controllable single LEDs, providing exceptional light coverage and uniform color and brightness. With the capability to display up to 16.8 million colors, these fans can truly paint your build with vibrant hues and dynamic lighting effects, making your rig look as good as it performs. The Riing Plus RGB software and app are a game-changer for customization. You can monitor fan performance, adjust speeds, and create personalized lighting effects for up to 80 fans. The software also allows you to set up to 5 profiles per fan controller, making it incredibly convenient to switch between different setups depending on your needs or preferences. A notable feature is the digital fan controller, designed with a dip switch on the back. This allows for easy numbering and management of each controller, ensuring seamless integration and control within your system. Whether you're managing a few fans or a large array, this functionality simplifies the process significantly. Performance-wise, the 9-fan blade design is engineered to deliver higher airflow without sacrificing ultra-silent operation. Operating between 500 to 1500 RPM, these fans produce a noise level of only 25 dB, making them an excellent choice for users who prioritize a quiet computing environment. Each fan pushes up to 48.3 CFM, ensuring efficient cooling even during intense gaming or heavy workload periods. With a voltage of 12 volts and a wattage of 140 watts, the Thermaltake Riing PlusCooling fan is compatible with most radiators, making it a versatile option for various cooling configurations. Whether you're looking to cool your CPU, GPU, or just improve overall airflow within your case, these fans are up to the task. In summary, the Thermaltake Riing PlusCooling fan offers a perfect blend of stunning RGB lighting and superior cooling performance. Its customizable features, easy-to-use software, and efficient design make it a top choice for any PC build. If you're in the market for new cooling fans that combine aesthetics with functionality, the Riing PlusCooling fan is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.